We all know how complicated getting the right bra is, but add a sports bra to the mix and it can drive anyone into confusion. So we're here with all the tips and tricks you will need to pick the right sports bra. When you're working up a sweat, it's most important to make sure your skin isn't affected by what you're wearing. The first step to get that right is to choose the right fabrics. Cotton blends are great if you prefer a light exercise routine or have sensitive skin. Lycra or spandex provides a good amount of support, shape retention, and elasticity required for intensive workouts. Microfiber is a thin and seamless fabric that has great moisture-wicking abilities that help with excessive sweating. Now that you know the right fabrics to look for, let's get into the right kind of sports bras to pick. Your preferred way of burning out those calories will help you pick the impact kind of your sports bra. Low-intensity workouts call for low-impact bras. They are usually lightly padded and are designed to provide ample support for activities that involve less upper body movements. So if your daily dose of exercise is yoga or walking that demands less movement or bounce, a low-impact bra is exactly what you need. Medium-impact bras are designed to moderately restrict movement for activities like power walking or Zumba. They usually have separate cups for breasts to keep them in place and a wider band for added support. Highly intensive activities that involve more movement and bounce, like running or tennis, require high-impact bras. They usually have wider shoulder straps, padded cups, and a supportive underwire for ample coverage and support. A compression-type sports bra helps compress and hold the breasts closer to the body, thus minimizing movement and providing support. They're usually great for small to medium sizes and low to medium impact activities. Encapsulation bras have cups that provide utmost support to each breast separately and restrict movement. They are ideal for medium to bigger sizes and medium to high impact activities. Your sports bra is supposed to be slightly tighter than your regular bra, as it is supposed to provide added support and prevent any bounce. Hold a finger at the band of the bra and try to pull against your body. If you can pull more than an inch away, go a size smaller. If you're on a mission to lose some of that extra weight, always keep in check of the inches. Once you lose weight and your bra doesn't fit you right, it will not give you the optimal support you need. A good quality sports bra should last you a good 8 to 10 months, depending on how frequently you work out. However, if you spot any pilling, it's time for you to bid goodbye to your workout partner. Always remember to wash your sports bra in cold water and flat dry to retain its shape and elasticity. These tips will ensure you tackle those calories with utmost comfort. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.